Alrighty. Let's crack us a box. Let's see what we gotta get in here now. I really want a Ray Showcase. I think this is gonna see a lot of play in set 2. And it looks really good. Alright. Get to getting. Hey, Snoke. Foil Clone Deserter. Let's put him down here. Alright. Not off to a bad start. Legendary. Should see a lot of play in villainy control as well. Maybe sideboard. Just a little semi-board wipe. But only for your opponent, which is pretty good. They're playing a bunch of low-to-the-ground units. Chenko Collector. Hyperspace. Imprisoned. Ooh, Black Chrysanthemum. As you can tell, I've got a little bit of a cold, but they ain't gonna stop me. I must witness these packs being opened. Hyperspace Jabba. I like to keep these, the hyperspace tokens and leaders, to give out to people if I see they don't have one. Just because. Oh, that's a pull right there. Those not legendary, but oh wait, hyperspace here. Oh, they got 2 Pursuit Craft in there. These are going to be the more valuable pulls, not just strictly rarity. Ricka. Little shield token. Palpatine's Return. Which by itself, trading from your discard pile, it costs 6 less. If the Force unit costs 8 less instead. So you can play Vaders for 6. Excuse me. Vader for 6. Mauls for 6. You know, anything, any Force unit, I guess Dooku. Well, no. Because isn't he double blue? I can't remember. Is Dooku double blue? I think he is. Palpatine. Kind of forgot that he was a unit after seeing him so much in local showdowns. Oh, Stone Land Speeder. I really want to put that card in the Han deck. Look at that. Look at that Mod Cohort. That's a pretty one. I like that. I like you so much I can put a sleeve on you. Hyper foil. You go here. I really like to mod cohort in limited. It seems to always go 1 for not 2 for 1, but 1.5 per whatever it kills on the ambush, and whatever swings into it to kill it. General Recon. The Amra. So this is interesting. To get something Sentinel after 2 turns, but yeah, I guess like if you want to try and ramp heroism, and you give a bunch of stuff Sentinel so you can't get swung at. I don't know. I'm trying to think of a practical application for that. Because I don't know how much guess the biggest units that Rebel have. It doesn't have to be Rebel, but Heroism. What are the ships? Home One, Redemption, and I guess if you want to ramp to that, there is a ramp now in Heroism. Well, they have a ramp card just like Super Laser Technician. Oh my god. These cats are going crazy. Anywho, we might see more slow, big, unkillable blue decks. Maybe. That's my prediction with the future of the set. The client, broken card. It just is so good for any control deck, really. Any ability control deck. Super strong. Put a bounty on something to heal it for 5. It's crazy talk. Or heal your base for 5. Wild. Kira. Cartel Turncoat. Let's see. Oh, Hyperspace DJ. That's pretty cool. Foil Y-Wing. Given to your anger. Just while I have a second. I wonder if DJ's gonna see play in the Han. There's a Han list going around. Double counting Han list. That I don't know, might have some good value. You steal a resource. I think they want to use tech for it though, so you smuggle it for 5 instead of 7. For space token. Tobias Beckett, you son of a bitch. Hey, double rare pack. Swoop down a hollow. Hyperfoil in the back. You peeked it already. That shouldn't block rescue. At least Chewie's in the back. I really like the let the Wookiee win art. I really want a Wookiee deck to succeed at some point. Might need one more set for it to get more Wookiees. Maybe even Wookiees in red. I don't know. Man can dream. Just like, I really want Ewok cards. Oh, this is ready. Sleep. Transition Hunters, Hyperspace. Zori Bliss. Jetpack. Oh, Hyperspace. Pretty cool. Foil. Landman Rescuer. First Light. I mean, it's made for Kira. But, any grit heavy, like, mid-range deck maybe. More sets that come out, more viable random word sets become a reality. Ba, 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 ba. Red blue control. I'm so like meh on this card. Well, I get that it's sticky. It's always going to be there. Double green, but I guess if you're in mid ramp and you don't have a turn, maybe because it keeps on generating value for itself, like you're just paying an extra 2 for value. Well, you're not losing card advantage from this, you're just losing resource and action advantage. Well, not technically if you're not playing card. I mean, playing card for a hand's still one action. So, yeah, just the downside is the 2 extra cost. So it's almost like pay an extra, theoretically, pay 1 to, or pay 2 to draw a card. But we'll see if that sees any decks, or any deck list. Suki. Come. One, please. Oh, cool. Oh, it's good. It's a good looking card right there. Ah. Cool. Double rare pack. Never hurts. Da, da, da. Put a sleeve on you. I don't think Jango Fett prices are going to be very high, solely because you can get them in the weekly play packs. It looks better than this card, so let's see how that pans out. Just like how Mace flooded the market pretty hard after all the store showdowns. Ooh, what is that? What are you? Cassie. Forlom. Vambrace, Flamethrower. Each opponent discards a card from their hand. Draw a card. No bargain. That is a card for Twin Suns. In no other format. Maybe we see some discard synergy. Maybe the leader, whenever a player discards a card, or whenever your opponent discards a card, some effect. Hyper Hondo. Oh, another hyperspace in the back there. Hyper Foil. Let the Wookiee win. Oh my god. Look at that. That card is wild. It's super vivid. So that purple is like really, really popping. This card is crazy looking to me. Wow. Wait. Ah, there you are. Boop. All right, got 6 more. Hyper Ray. Principled Outlaw. Hey, Finalizer. I'm down with that. I really want to build a deck with it, so I do not mind getting Finalizers. Dr. Afra, what are you doing jumping around all crazy like a kangaroo girl? Wild ass Rancor. Rancor. Which, double red though, never mind. I was gonna say, it'd be cool in a grit based deck. I'm gonna have to play it out of aspect for one of the grit cards. I've gotten so many of these Kragan Gores. I like have to build a deck around it now. I don't know how, but I'm gonna have to. Is that? Ah, that's good. That's good. It's real good. Yeah, there's something that I need for playsets. So, look, Great Dragon. Insane card. 9 cost, 10/10. Overwhelm. When an opponent plays a card, you may deal damage equal to that card's cost to their base or ground unit they control. It's insane. So even if they pay whatever to kill it, when they play that card, they still have to. This triggers first when an opponent plays a card. So, you know, even when you kill it, it's gonna kill something else or possibly hit your base for lethal. It's a crazy card. A game ender, if you will. And he gets a sleeve. Alright. Fucking Elephant Man. You know, maybe these cards work together. Non-leader. I mean, it does deter people from attacking your base with both these out. Unit, the same arena captures that unit. And then you give shields to units that captured. It puts, I guess it does put aggro in like, between like rock and a hard place. Because if you are capturing unit every turn, they have to address that. Instead of swinging face and like having another unit taken, they have to think about killing Dragon. Oh, this is the last pack. Doctor? No, busy. Relentless Pursuit. Oops. Overall, a pretty good box. Yeah. Not as crazy as the the Poe hyperspace hyperfoil Poe, but I got the Great Dragon, DJ, who surprisingly going for a lower amount. But aside from that, there are some deck lists that I want to build that contain him. But thank you for watching, guys. I am gonna go use my nutty pot and hopefully clear my sinuses. It's been good. Catch you guys later.